Hello, and welcome to Slade on Slade. My name is Leslie, and today we are going to look at the girl horror figures of Jason, Freddy, and Chucky. So remember that these are action figures. They are not action figures, so they do not move. So go ahead and let's get a closer look. All right, here she is. She comes with the stand. She does come off the stand. I'm gonna have to heat her up just to get her back on all the way on the bottom. You see, I got a little space in there, so don't mind that. She does come with two weapons, a sword and an axe. The sword is bloody. So let's go ahead and get a good look at the figure. There's her face. She is sexy. I love the abs on her. She's a Jason female version of her. So there you go. She's got a little nice little apples bottoms out there. So there's that big. Okay, this is what she looks like with the axe behind her. If you see that. And then the sword, and I kind of broke my sword, so I'm gonna have to fix it, which really sucks. So, and that's what the other piece looks like. So I'm probably gonna see if I can super glue it, but it looks like a really nice figure. And I do have the Freddy Krueger one and the Chucky one too that I'm gonna go ahead and do reviews on also. Just give me a minute and I will go ahead and get them set. All right, here is the Freddy Krueger girl version. As you can see, she has the clawed hands and then the purple boots, and she fits perfectly on her stand. So go ahead and get a good closer look at her. She's got the blood marks on her legs, which makes sense. The dirty girl clothes. And let me go get the Chucky one. Hold on. All right, here is the Chucky one. She does come with an extra head that is all messed up with the stitches and the scratch marks and everything like that. But then you also have the cutie girl face. She does come with a knife. What I went ahead and go in there. She is a nice figure. They are statues, so they do not move. So that is pretty much all I can tell you about that. But this is what Jason, Freddy, and Chucky would look like if they were girls. So that is, now it is time in the episode for a smash or pass on these figures. And I am going to go ahead and say a pass on them. I'm not a big action figure fan. I would prefer an action figure so I can actually pose them in the way that I want them to be on my shelf. These kind of just sit there the way they're made. So I would do a big pass on that. But that is all I have for you today. So if you like this episode, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button below. And I hope you have a great day or evening wherever you are in the world. Thank you. Bye.